It's Ben with Master Spot Parts here. Today we have a Legend Series diverter here that we're going to explain to you how to get the handle off, replace the rotor, fix anything that you need with it. Part number for this is X279636. Basically, the diverter itself has a beauty cap here that needs to be removed. I just have a flathead screwdriver. I'm just putting it in here, hitting it, and it's popping off. There's then a Phelps head screw in here that holds the handle on. Get that fully taken out. The handle is very tight, so I mean, you do kind of have to pull on it. We'll shake it back and forth. When this is on, obviously it looks like it's all one piece. This clear piece comes off with the handle as it's attached on the bottom side. Then you have the actual cap itself and the black trim piece. The black trim piece should be attached to this cap and they should both turn. The cap is actually what is threaded here and they do actually come apart. So then you have your cap, your O-ring here, your rotor assembly that just slides in and out, and then it just goes back together the opposite way. If you have any questions, please hit us up on live chat or give us a call at 855-308-2149. Happy hot tubbing.